Hi there, Rabbits Major here, and I'm putting together a training that will help you to start an online store. So in this training, I'm going to show you how you can find products that are on demand, and then you find customers that are looking for online, then you sell those products for a profit. So the business model is drop shipping. So with dropshipping, you don't have to worry about inventory. You don't have to worry about storage. Sometimes you don't even have to worry about delivery because you are not going to handle delivery. There are companies that will handle delivery on your behalf. So what happens is that the customer will go on your online store. So on the training, I'm going to show you how to build a professional made online store and get a professional picture or good looking picture. You plug and play on your website, and customer comes to your online store or to your online website, buys, and when they buy, you keep the profit, you take the remainder, you take customer's detail, you send it to the supplier, and supplier will fulfill or deliver the order on your behalf. So this is the business model that I'm going to show you how you can leverage or how you can start. So on the training, I'm going to show you how to build a professional looking website, and you don't have to learn about CSS. I know some of you might have run away from coding and you say, okay, this guy is going to teach me how to code. No, you're not going to touch any code. So I'm going to show you how you can start the online store, how you can build your own online website without having to touch any code. CSS, no HTML, no JavaScript. So I'm going to show you how you can put together a website that is professional, looking well on both mobile and both desktop. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and all that you are going to do is to advertise the product. And I have years of experience on advertising online. So I'm going to show you how you can advertise on Facebook, how you can advertise on Google, and also how you can advertise on the street, word of mouth. It works. So I'm going to show you all these things. So all that you need to do right now is to reserve a spot, reserve your own space, so that on the 5th of September when we start, you start with us. We introduce each other, and then I'll take you on this journey. I'll be there. This is not pre-recorded. I'm not going to pre-record the training. I'm going to be there live, talking to you live, and then you can exchange with me. You can ask questions. If you have a question, you can stop me if you don't understand. So this is the advantage of this course, because I'll be there live. It's not pre-recorded. I know there are many pre-recorded courses. This one is not pre-recorded. I'll be there live, and then you will hold me accountable if I don't know what I'm talking about. This will be my 3rd training. I've done this multiple times and last year. So this year I'm back again to help you, to show you on how you can start your online business, which is drop shipping. And then all that you need to do, reserve a spot, make that payment there, reserve a spot, and then I'll have you contacted. Like, I'll send you an email about the details on when. You all know it's 5th of September, about the links. So this will be Zoom meeting. So I'm going to show you that. So reserve a spot there, and then I'll see you on the 5th of September, 7 p.m. Zoom cloud meeting. Thank you. Cheers.